You guys ever had a flat tire? We have. Let's fix it. We're going to start by taking the old tire and tube off of the old rim. This one had a catastrophic failure, so we're just going to cut it off. Next, we're going to take the Schrader valve out of the valve stem of the new tire and go ahead and break the bead on it. Next, use some pry bars or some flathead screwdrivers to start taking the tire off of the new rim. Go ahead and pull the tube out once you've got half the tire taken off, and go ahead and finish taking off the rest of the tire. Sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's easy, and other times, it just slips right out. Alright, we're going back together. New tire, old rim. Go ahead and work it on that first half. After you get the first half on, get the tube in. Get that tube through the valve stem hole, valve stem all in. Let's put that Schrader valve back in there. Get it wet, put it in. After you get it tight, pump it up with a little bit of air. What this is going to do is keep the tube inflated and out of the way of the pry bars or flathead screwdrivers you're using to put the tire on the rim. Alright, we're going to get it started. The final step, going back together. Hold one side with your hand and use a pry bar on the other side to take small bites and work it around. Now we're just going to pump it up and we're all set.